Oh wait, Ron, I'm not going to be able to. I can't plug in a UVEC. I've got a plug on mine. Is this 6S?
Yeah.
Don't stop down there. Don't go yet. You've got a big crosswind from your takeoff coming across right in the middle of the floor. You don't necessarily want to go there. I would take a bill circle and I'll go all the way down to that one. Because you're going to find that floor. You're going to find that you're going to open it up and by the time you get this up, you're going to get keep an eye on it. Not even 8 throttle bars. Yeah, it's 70. Force cap through it, so.
I like that roof that it makes you take it off.
Yeah, you better bring it in.